So what I built here is an emergency first aid kit box specialized for earthquake disaster. What I do first is I select the wood. I chose the thickest wood available for the lid, and so it can withstand forces from above. Then I mark the places that I will cut. The size of this box is 40 x 30 x 30. It is large enough to keep lots of supplies. Then I cut the wood with jigsaw. I must use a G-clamp to hold the wood firm against the table so there will be no excess vibrations that could cause fractures on the wood. After cutting the wood, I sand the sides using the big sander to smoothen the edges of the wood. I must also make sure the length of the sides are all equal. Then I cut the finger joints on the edges of the wood. I use finger joint because it is stronger and suitable for big boxes. After the finger joints are ready, I glue the sides first. The glue takes around 24 hours to dry, and on the next day, I cut the base and then glue it. The base is using thick plywood, thicker than the sides so it could carry heavier items. After all the sides and base are glued together, they must be rough sanded before soft sanded to make the surface of the box smoother. After all the sides are sanded, I use the wood filler to fill the gaps in the joints. This is important because the gaps could cause clotting of paints during painting. After filling the gaps, I screw the hinges and the lid to the box. The screw must not be too tight because it could fracture the wood. The screw is longer than the thickness of the wood, so they bulge a bit. So I smoothen the edges that bulge. After that, I cover the parts that I don't want to paint, such as the hinges using tapes. Then paint the large areas using a roller. For smaller areas such as the edges, I used smaller brush to make it more detailed. For the even smaller edges such as the corner or the areas near the hinge, I used the smallest brush I can find, so it won't hit the part that I don't want to paint.